Okay, so we start grinding this crack off. What I've got a dial grinder, it's called. Some tips for it. I bought an air one and some glasses. Start doing some work. As I said, I've already done some, as you see. You can focus in here and have a look. So what we actually do, we just go with this, following the crack as deep as we can, and then we start starting welding first line, second, third, and whatever, all the way up. So I'll just keep going like that, focus on the crack. And at the same time I'll V it, so I'll just show you a little bit how we do it. So as you see, that's how you do it. Catch you later. One side finish, grinding. So this is ready for welding. And now we have to flip it on the other side and do the same thing there. Okay, this is the other crack on the side. So clean, V it. Clean a little bit around here. You can see the crack still going. I clean it. I went deep, pretty much up nearly on the other side. As I say here, I already went on through. So, yep, that's how it looks like so far. You can see the crack in there. We still got to do this side, from there to there, then start spreading into that. Tiny frags here, so all that's going to be cleaned. And then we've got another crack here, another one here slowly, which went straight through. As you see, we've got another few headlines crack. We'll try to clean. Same here. Few headlines crack, so we'll clean that, give it a go. And then also we've got a crack over there. It's going to be a bit hard, but I'll clean as best as I could, and then we'll see how it's going to come out with the welding. So this is how it's out here. Them headlines cracked. Ready. I still have to do the one on the bottom there, but we'll flip it.